If you are not subscribed my channel, please click on red color subscribe button and then click on bell button. Hello students. Today I'm going to explain one interesting topic. Let's go to our lesson. Nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? The process of providing or obtaining food by the living organisms for health and growth is known as nutrition. So the mode of acquiring food varies from organism to organism. The most important are autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, autotrophic and heterotrophic, these two are the very important nutrition types. What is autotrophic nutrition? The living organisms make their own food material using simple substances which they get from the environment. They can prepare their own food material. The organisms that exhibit this type of nutrition are called autotrophs. All the green plants are autotrophs. How do autotrophs prepare their food material? Autotrophs are the organisms capable of using light energy to synthesize chemical compounds like carbohydrates. They acquire nutrients like minerals and water from the soil as well as some gases from the air. And next type is the heterotrophic nutrition. The organisms that exhibit heterotrophic nutrition are called heterotrophs. Some organisms like animals, fungi, some bacteria and non-photosynthesizing plants are heterotrophs. They follow the heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is a type of nutrition wherein organisms depend upon other organisms for food. So here one organism is depend on other organisms for their food. So you may see here examples, different animals and fungi and bacteria and some non-photosynthesizing plants are also examples of this heterotrophic nutrition. Other different modes of nutrition seen in heterotrophs: saprophytic nutrition. You may see here some organisms like bread molds, yeast, mushrooms, etc. break down the dead and decaying organic matter outside the body and then absorb it. Parasitic nutrition. The parasite is an organism that gets its nutrients from other living organisms. The living organism that provides nutrients to the parasite is known as host. You can see here RBC infected with malaria. Malaria parasites, they get the food from RBC. Parasitic nutrition you may see in non-photosynthesizing plants. For example, here it is a dodder plant. Cuscuta is the scientific name. It's a dodder plant. It contains no chlorophyll. So it absorbs the food material from other organisms, other plants with the help of Hastoria. These thread-like structures, they absorb the food from other plants. Thank you.